The longer this
I won't give you this. Okay, so guys, no, I'm asking this. And I think it says pickle.
Investors pulled our funding.
Construction on Pleasant Park for
Daddy, could you probably watch the
after federal district ordered to stop
Daddy, could probably watch the
construction.
I just see this playing in the water. Give you a bat. I thought she didn't know him. What are you doing? Cheesy one. Mommy, which one? The cheesy pie? You guys said you didn't want to eat it. Real good. That's what you said. These yours. I mean, listen. I always wanted to do something. No, I always wanted not. The house funny man. Hey, you got. Hey, what's that too? This is the blue sky. This is the grass. I need green. The grass. No, blue has to be 100. Everything is 100. Everything. Just to let you know. No, if grass doesn't go that, I know you made it, so I had to color. I have to draw. Yeah,
That is one example where he's trying the military.
Which they have already, they understand we have faith in his ability to execute on this. We're not going to foreclose any option. You can't fight and win a war if you tell your adversary what you are willing to do or what you are not willing to do. To include boots on the ground. Maybe negotiations work, or maybe there's a different approach. The point is to be unpredictable in that. Certainly not let anybody know what you're willing to do or not.
In eliminating vapor to secure nuclear enrichment material, I think that would be a wise use of American military power. Is that the same thing? Is that the same thing? Is that the same thing as occupying country for you?
Play with it.
It would be smart enough to see the difference.
What is it? Why having this whole? I'm having this whole
What
thing.
you're talking about is because it is.
Mommy, guys, Justin me.
Stress had to.
I'm I need longer than that. Because I want first I get that same sex. Skylar's judging.
It's being measured against expectations that are based on some.
Okay, I can clean it up.
When dry eyes need a boost,
Oh! Oh, come open me up.
until you feel
So he says regime change was
which ballots to deliver for mail ballots.
for a tumultuous few months. CNN Richard Quest explains what will happen next.
Right, so let's take a look and see how
Ooh.
Then you get the marketing on that.
I want to know. It's a
So it'll give you a chance to
Yes.